Alrighty, now that we've got our pies onto our Blackstone, we've added 4 sticks of butter here, and I'm drizzling on some brown sugar that's gonna mix with this butter with these pecans, make this very caramelly, super delicious, easy dessert for the fall.
2 cans sweetened condensed milk, and we're just gonna give this a jizzle right on top.
All right, I'm coming in with my meat mashers. I'm just gonna mash our pies here. Now we decided to use a variety of flavors. I'm using a pumpkin in the middle here, berries. This is actually berry apple. But you can use any kind of pie that you like, that you prefer. And we're just making this into a whole new dessert. All right, I want to get this a little bit more properly mixed with our caramel and our pecans. Now I did grease my Blackstone very well because I wanted to make sure, and I'm using a low temperature here, so we're not getting too much, if any, fast cooking here. We're just taking this nice and easy today, making this delicious pie dessert here right on the Blackstone. Wonderful. Alrighty. Smooth this out into one even layer. All right, we're coming in with our old-fashioned Quaker oats. I'm just gonna add the rest of my brown sugar in here. That's about half of a cup. I've got some sticks of melted butter, about 1.5 sticks. And I'm using my ground cinnamon, just like that. I'm just gonna come down in here with my masher, get this all mixed and incorporated. Look at that gorgeous brown sugar butter oat texture. Ooh, this looks so good. Oh my goodness. All right, now that we've got this all mixed, I'm just gonna put our granola brown sugar butter topping right on top here. Ooh, this is gonna be so delicious, y'all. This is my family favorite for Thanksgiving. This is my grandmother used to always do a twice-baked apple pie for Thanksgiving, and we're doing that just a little bit of a different, easy way here on the Blackstone with our different pie flavors. Alrighty, I'm just gonna close up my Blackstone. I got this on low and I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes. Alrighty, I'm just gonna grab some of our vanilla ice cream here. You can't have pie and cobbler without it. And we are ready. Look at this. Our twice-baked appleberry and pumpkin pie cobbler. So warm, so delicious. Oh my God, look at that. Look how gorgeous and yummy that looks. All right, Jen, are you ready to have the best Thanksgiving dessert ever?
Yes. Oh my goodness, this has been smelling so amazing. I'm so excited. Look at the oats on that too. Oh, you've really outdone yourself. Delicious.
Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. You gotta try it.